Hey, welcome here. You're going to thank yourself for watching this video till the end, because what I'm about to share will genuinely save you hours every single week and will simplify your life in a way you didn't even know you needed. Let me ask you something. How many times have you opened your fridge, looked inside, and closed it because you didn't know what to cook? Or you ended up ordering takeout again, spending money you didn't plan for, and then feeling guilty afterward? We all want to eat healthier, save money, and save time. But meal planning feels like such a heavy task. Every Sunday, you think, this week I'll plan better. But then the week starts, and you're back to spending hours scrolling through Pinterest for recipes, trying to find something you actually want to eat, making random grocery lists on your phone, and still forgetting half the ingredients when you go shopping. It doesn't have to be this way. Imagine waking up on Monday morning and already knowing exactly what you will eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the entire week. Imagine having your grocery list ready automatically with everything you need and shopping in less time without wasting money on things you don't even end up using. Imagine having a clear, aesthetic place to save your favorite recipes so you can pull them up anytime without scrolling endlessly to find that one recipe you saw 3 weeks ago. Imagine feeling in control of your health goals because your meals are planned around what you actually want to achieve. Whether that's losing weight, eating cleaner, or just not wasting food anymore. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you will make you say, "Why didn't I do this earlier?" I want to introduce you to the Notion Meal Planner Notion template. It's a clean, beautifully designed plug-and-play system you can use right inside your Notion app on your phone or laptop. With this template, you can plan your entire week's meals in just a few minutes, create an automatic grocery list based on your planned meals, and store your favorite recipes all in one organized space. No more chaos, no more last-minute takeouts, no more wasted food and money, and no more frustration when you're hungry but don't know what to cook. You will finally feel that calm and satisfaction when you know your meals are planned, your health goals are aligned, and your mind is clear. Now, I know what you're thinking. The system like this could easily cost you $59 or even $37 if you find something on sale. And honestly, the time and stress it saves are worth that price. But today, you don't have to pay that. You can get the Notion Meal Planner template for just $18, which is less than the cost of one takeout meal that leaves you feeling guilty. Don't wait, because this price will not last forever. Prices will go up soon, and you don't want to miss out on simplifying your life at this price point. Take control of your meals, save your time, and align your health goals starting today. Click the link in the description now, grab your Notion Meal Planner, and transform the way you handle your meals and your week. You deserve a simpler, calmer, and healthier lifestyle, and it can start right now.